Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, if you're using using the Safari browser, I'm going to show you to change the default search engine in Safari. Alright, so it's quite easy. If you have Safari and you want to change the default search engine, it's easy. Alright, so go to settings. You're going to go to apps, which is the last one here, apps. From here guys, you're going to go to Safari. So we're going to search Safari. There it is. Tap on it, or you can search for it in the list. You're going to search for default search engine. It's right there. And of course, default search engine. Sorry, not default search engine. You're going to say search engine. And we're going to set the default search engine. Now, this one means which browser is your default for your opening links. So this top one, it says default browser app, means which app will handle website links. It's set to Safari. Okay, search engine, default search engine. You're gonna tap and it's gonna give you a bunch, and this is the one. So we're gonna go to DuckDuckGo, and that's the one I'm gonna choose. So it's now default browser app DuckDuckGo. So it's there right now, and from here we can exit. So whenever it uses a search engine, it will now use DuckDuckGo. Hope that in that case, or you can use Bing or something else. Hope that was useful guys. See you in the next one. Bye.